Hi, I'm pleased today to be able to provide a brief introduction to the Cambridge University Press series, Elements of Psychology and Culture. The Elements is a series of brief monographs dealing with important ideas at the intersection of psychological science and culture. The aim of the series is to present key ideas from contemporary scholars who work at the intersection of psychology and culture, including voices from cultural psychology, cross-cultural psychology, and indigenous psychology. In the series, we present a broad range of ideas along several dimensions. The first of these is a variety of authors, both experienced and younger authors, and we've included in the series so far such pioneers as Walt Launer, Uwe Gielen, Judy Gibbons, John Barry, and Eep Portinga, but we're also publishing newer authors, young people whose work is at the cutting edge of psychology and culture. A second dimension is to represent a range of cultural viewpoints. To that end, we have so far published authors not only from the U.S., but also from Australia, Taiwan, the Netherlands, Russia, Sweden, Portugal, Canada, and the UK. A third important dimension is to represent a variety of content areas. We have published work in history, in child psychology, adolescent psychology. We're doing work on ageism, neuroscience. We've published manuscripts on women's issues, the science of well-being, peace psychology, and the effects of urbanization and modernization on cultures around the world. Prospective authors might be wondering, why should I publish in the Elements series? And there are several good reasons. One is the opportunity to explore an idea or a research area in greater depth and with greater latitude than perhaps would be possible in a traditional article. A second is to provide an authoritative perspective on a particular area of study at the intersection of psychological science and culture, to review, for example, the literature in a key area that has perhaps been neglected in the literature. Finally, this is an opportunity to get ideas into print more quickly than the typical book project. These manuscripts typically range from 20 to 30,000 words, about 75 published pages, and we tend to get them into print within about 12 weeks from the time that they're accepted. Authors who might be interested in publishing in this series should feel free to contact me by email. I'm always interested to discuss good ideas, to see your proposals, or to simply have a dialogue about an idea that perhaps you would like to consider developing. So please do feel free to be in touch. This is a wonderful young series. It's growing with every new manuscript, and we certainly look forward to hearing good ideas.